Hey, I'm outside Chinatown right now and just about to go up to this little bar called Bar Rose. It's on the second level of Rosewood Dim Sum Restaurant, which is a really dope all-you-can-eat dim sum restaurant in new Chinatown in Toronto. We got an event here, but Just Dreaming, which is a EDM collective in Toronto. They throw some really cool events. They did a Chinese New Year event 2 weeks ago, and it was pretty lit. And they're having a community event tonight, and it's gonna be a gaming and music night. So we're gonna be playing some Smash Brothers. I've never played Smash Brothers before, maybe once, so I'm gonna probably lose real bad. But let's see what this event is all about. So we got Grandpa's Tea and I got Journey to the West. Pretty cool Asian inspired drinks. Here with my buddy Kian. Oh, we're gonna do something? Cool. Alright, go for it. So apparently you're supposed to pop it. I'm gonna take a... Oh, cool. That's cool. Oh, cheers. Let's go. Take it up. Oh, he's called it. Oh, man. Hey guys, just back at the studio now. It's the morning after, and I know the vlog just ended abruptly, but I admit I'm still learning to get better at creating these things. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see more of these, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below. Also, if you want to support my channel, check deviantaudio.com. I have sample packs, preset packs, and Ableton kits to help you along your music production journey. As well, follow Just Dreaming if you're in Toronto or visiting Toronto. They throw some really cool community-oriented electronic music events. Anyways, until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.